Greetings, my name is Tim Morosky, the owner of Mace Games and creator of the Krojyn kit modular assets for Unreal Engine. These are now available on Fab. These work just like our other kits, so you're going to grab one of each piece. In this case, we've got the grip, head, pommel, shaft, and holding the control key, select one of each piece and drag them into the scene at the same time. So now we've just created a mace. Now we're going to show you how to merge these into one object. So in alphabetical order, grip, head, pommel, shaft, you select them individually, and then go to Tools, Merge Actors. I'm going to check the Replace Source Actors box. I'm going to merge actors, pop it into a folder of your choice. In my case, I use Merge Maces. I'm going to call this one Sample Mace number 51, which you won't actually have available. There we go. And now we've got one merged mace. Moving further into this, even after they're merged, you can still change the materials. So let's do silver and black. So over here, I'm just going to type silver and black into the search bar, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this name so I can grab them quickly. I'm going to select grip, head, pommel, shaft. You can see that this has now been changed into a new variant. And that is basically how this all goes together. Feel free to reach out to me on Discord or email. All the relevant links will be in the description below, and I will talk to you later. Thank you so much.